that Christian, before you enter the order of the priesthood, you must declare before the people your intention to undertake this office. Do you resolve to help the Holy Spirit to discharge without fail the office of priesthood in the presbyteral rank as worthy fellow workers with the order of bishops, caring for the Lord's flock? I do. Do you resolve to exercise the ministry of the word worthily and wisely, preaching the gospel, teaching the Catholic faith? I do. Do you resolve to celebrate faithfully and reverently, in accord with the Church's tradition, the mysteries of Christ, especially the sacrifice of the Eucharist and the sacrament of reconciliation, for the glory of God, the sanctification of the Christian people? Do you resolve to implore with us God's mercy upon the people entrusted to your care by observing the command to pray without ceasing? Do you resolve to be united more closely every day to Christ the High Priest, who offered himself for us to the Father as a pure sacrifice, and with him to consecrate yourselves to God for the salvation of all? I do, with the grace of God. Rick, do you promise respect and obedience to me and my successors? I do. May God, who has begun the good work in you, bring it to fulfillment. Christian, do you promise respect and obedience to me